of shadows. If you place an opaque object in the path of light, a dark shape of object is formed on the opposite side of light. This dark shape is called shadow. Thus, a clear shadow forms when there is a source of light, an object that blocks the light coming from the source, and a wall or a screen on the opposite side of the light source. Next, features of shadows. A shadow is always black or dark gray in color. A shadow is formed on the surface opposite to the source of light. The shadow can be different shapes and sizes. When the object is close to the source of light, it casts a larger shadow. Next, if the object is far from the source of light, it casts a smaller shadow. Next, only the opaque object casts a shadow. Have you seen your shadow during the day? Its size keeps on changing during the day. The size of shadow is shorter at the noon and longest in the early morning and in the evening. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, subscribe, share to your friends. Bye bye.